How stable are the Paulk Smart Benches? I'm 5'10" and 185 pounds. As a home builder and a remodeler, these benches are as stable as I need them to be. I get this question asked a lot. I have answered it and demonstrated it in the past, but I want to be clear about it because the question does come up time and time again. There seems to be this idea that to have something stable, it needs to be massive. Well, the truth is, in design and engineering, it's easy to build big, heavy, clunky things and make them stable. Where the challenge comes in is making something with a little finesse. These sawhorses, which are the support for all of my benches, the Paulk Smart Big Bench, the Paulk Smart Bench, the smaller one, and the Paulk Smart Station. It's the exact same sawhorse for all three benches. I did that on purpose. Took a lot of thought, a lot of engineering, a lot of prototyping. These sawhorses have evolved over 10 years. I kept wanting to refine them, to have them do things I needed them to do, like support material and tracks underneath. So they have the cantilevers out, which is a challenge because rather than building a big, wide, heavy-duty sawhorse, I needed the support to be brought inside so that I could have those cantilevers. And again, it took some trial and error. Some didn't work out, some worked out okay. These are the absolute best, and I've had these for a few years now with a few more modifications, particularly to have them fit in the Smart Cart. The beauty of these is they're very lightweight. They just fold up, they're very small, and they nest in the benches and in the carts when it's time to transport. The key thing for me is that I need to take my entire wood shop, my no compromise wood shop. When it's set up, I want it to function as good as if I had a big space and I built a bunch of big heavy cabinets and tops on them the way I used to have years ago. I want that wood shop, but I want to put it in the Smart Wood Shop, the trailer, and I want to quickly move it to the job, and I want to set it up all by myself. So it can't be too heavy. I definitely don't like it clunky, and I just like how they look. For finishing a house, these benches do everything I need them to do, as if I took my big shop to the job. When I'm framing or siding, I'm not using these. These are my finish benches. They're inside. They are doing crown molding and chair rail and installing cabinets and hardwood and putting in doors and trimming doors and windows and all of that kind of thing. Actually, the bulk of the work and the work I like the most and the work I think that makes the biggest difference to the finished product. These setups will do all of that. When I'm framing, I'm using sawhorses. I got a different setup. It's a different set of tools. I'm working out in the weather. I don't need this level of precision. I don't need these kind of tools to do that. It would be a waste, and just I don't want my finished tools out in the weather ever, not even once. So this setup is for the builder, remodeler, woodworker, finish carpenter that's doing those kinds of things, all of those finished things. If you're siding and framing, you know you got a different set of tools. Well, I hope that answers the question. Whatever you're needing to do as a woodworker or finish carpenter, these sawhorses will support the benches and do anything you need them to do. Hey, if you enjoy these videos, if you'd like to see me make more, then be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And remember to ring that bell when you subscribe so you'll know when I put up a new video. And if you get a chance, share this channel with others. Hey, and if you'd like to support this channel and my efforts here, obviously you can purchase a set of my plans, or you can use one of our affiliate links where they'll share a little bit with us and not charge you any extra. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. You stay safe and have a great day.